Right now, funding for seed stage companies is hard to come by, but with Amplitude's help, we put together a very strong syndicate last year. I think what is critical for us is that the values that we internally at Ability have in our culture are reflected with our investor syndicate. And that is very much down to Amplitude and the way they led that syndicate and connected us to other investors who shared our values and our mission.
One of the challenges we face now is a highly unstable capital market. And as I think about Amplitude and the folks there, they're causing us to really challenge the way we contemplate financing a company of innovation like Thryve. It's a difficult setting to be in, and it requires a consistent alignment with your investment syndicate. And Amplitude obviously is our biggest. And by virtue of that, the constant dialogue, the constant creativity about how to address this capital challenge is something that we're working with Amplitude on almost daily to try to find a way through. And it's the right thing to do for the patients that we talked about. And they clearly connect that patient benefit to the investment hypothesis. And that's critical for us in today's environment to think about how to address the capital challenge we have.
We had a tough financing at Celsius. And during that time, the Amplitude team was extremely diligent and meticulous about introducing us to other investors who could potentially form part of our investment syndicate. And it wasn't just the sort of nonsense, here, let me connect you via a quick email. This was Bharat and team calling investors in question, pitching them on what we were doing. Then we would give a presentation, and then him following up with them, getting feedback and trying to twist their arm a little bit. That's the kind of support that companies need in the current environment so that we can develop products through the current market turmoil and actually get to value on the other end.
So Amplitude is always ready and willing to introduce us to other investors, be they strategic or other venture partners, and that's been very helpful in our recent financing. And by virtue of their understanding of our technology, they can explain to others who might not have that understanding what's unique about our platform and why they should be interested in our company.